How to get exit code when using Python subprocess communicate method. How do I retrieve the exit code when using Python subprocess module and the communicate method? Relevant code. Should I be doing this another way?
Open.communicate will set the return code attribute when it's done. Here's the relevant documentation section. So you can just do, I didn't test it but it should work. This happens because of the way it's implemented. After setting up threads to read the child strings, it just calls wait.
.poll will update the return code. Try. In addition, after .poll is called, the return code is available in the object as child.returnCode.
You should first make sure that the process has completed running and the return code has been read out using the .wait method. This will return the code. If you want access to it later, it's stored as .return code in the Popen object.
Just to point out a common misconception, you should avoid Popen always when you can. To quote the documentation, the recommended approach to invoking subprocesses is to use the run function for all use case it can handle. For more advanced use cases, the underlying Popen interface can be used directly. If you just want to run a subprocess and wait for it to finish, that's a single line of code with subprocess.run or its legacy sibling subprocess.call and subprocess.check_output. And you don't need to copy/paste in or understand the intricacies of the communicate and wait etc. methods required around the low-level Popen object. If you don't want to capture the output from the process, maybe replace capture_output equals true with stout equals subprocess.devnull. And perhaps similarly for stare, in the absence of either, the output will simply be displayed to the user, outside of Python's control. Also, unless your options and ops are completely trivial, generally replace the regular string split here with shlex.split, which understands how to cope with quoted strings.
Si want to see more, please suscribe.